Yes. The area laser power sensor is flexible in many ways. In power from pulse mode, it measures up to 8 kilowatts, and in continuous mode, up to 500 watts without active cooling. Exactly, yes. It covers several wavelength of ranges and operates standalone or wireless. You see, you don't need two different devices. You just change the diffuser and it can withstand higher power densities typical with high power small diameter beams. Yes, precisely. Yeah, all right. Yeah, you'll see that it's very compact and lightweight. I know. Yeah, of course. Absolutely, and very robust. Yep, it's dust-proof and splash water resistant. Yes, it has a high-quality display. And an internal memory for the last hundreds of measurements. That's right. We thought that too, but it's very easy to transport. Of course, I'll bring it over and you can see it in action. What's a good time? Great. That's great. Yeah. All right. See you soon.
MKS Instruments is proud to present the Ophir Aerial Laser Power Sensor. The Aerial measures the power and energy of laser systems quickly and accurately and is tolerant to large incident angles. Its high-quality display and internal memory can be used in standalone mode, and its Bluetooth 5 allows to monitor measurements on a smartphone or a PC, making it the ideal solution for enclosed applications. Ophir's Aerial. It has never been so simple and intuitive to check on your laser's quality.